Good morning and welcome to the extended daily weather brief. Start us off, we'll take a look at our current radar, in which we are free of any reflectivity in the immediate area, not anticipating any showers or thunderstorms for today, should remain dry. And if we take a look at the next 7 days ahead, we're going to continue to see this area of high pressure lingering offshore and bringing us continued quiet conditions and some slightly above average temperatures that will look to hang around into Wednesday until Wednesday night, in which we see a cold front set to approach the area from the northwest and bring in some rain and thunderstorm chances as that colder air mass or cooler air mass interacts with some available moisture and some instability of the day. And as of current, most of that activity does seem to be placed in the hours surrounding midnight, so Wednesday night moving into Thursday morning. And as a result of that cold front passing through the area, or at least approaching the area, we may also see a cooler few days to round off the working week ahead of us. Now, in the days following, we'll see that upper level ridge continue to build in across the eastern United States, and that will bring in warm and dry conditions through at least the beginning of the holiday weekend. And as we move into Sunday, we can expect to see that ridge weaken and a trough approach from the west as a low pressure system to the north over the Great Lakes will then send a cold front across the area later in the day. As a result, we're seeing some of the models suggesting some showers and thunderstorms moving through along with that front. And that could include even a low-end chance for seeing some stronger storms. And to follow that frontal passage and those potential storms, we'll see cooler temperatures and high pressure begin to filter into the area, and that will set us up for Monday into next week for a cooler start to the next 7 days or the next working week ahead. For our daily forecast here, 24 hours ahead, looking to see plenty of sunshine this afternoon, trend continuing into tomorrow morning, mostly just upper level clouds with a few potential clouds building in around 5,000 feet this afternoon. Seeing elevated winds early today and through the daylight hours before we begin to see those winds taper off a bit. We'll still see slightly elevated sustained winds in the overnight hours, and then a slight increase to start us off once again tomorrow, looking to be slightly more subdued than what we are seeing today, but still elevated. And for our high today, looking to climb into the mid to upper 70s come this afternoon, but overall our winds should be our largest concern, with greens across the board as far as our precip chances go for today. And for the short-term forecast next few days out, on Wednesday, looking at partly to mostly cloudy and slightly breezy conditions, as mentioned earlier. A little bit of color for the chance of seeing a wind advisory and a high in the mid to upper 70s once again. Wednesday night, partly to mostly cloudy with a slight chance of evening showers or thunderstorms, along with that backdoor cold front, and a low in the upper 50s, around 60. Might even see a flash of thunder or flash of lightning, with those storms passing by. And on Thursday, partly cloudy and a high around 70 to round off the next 2 days ahead. And then looking at the next 7 days ahead, we'll see that sunshine today, warmer temperatures into Wednesday, and then that cold front reaches the area Wednesday night. We'll see a slight cool off in comparison to what today and tomorrow have in store. We should still see plenty of sunshine, and then we'll have another cold front approaching the area on Sunday, later Sunday more likely, in which we will then see that those rain and thunderstorm chances build in, and to follow, we will see some cooler temperatures on the back end, and that will start us off for the week ahead. And that is going to conclude the 7-day outlook. Everyone has a great day. I'll be back tomorrow at 8:15 with the daily weather operations brief.